We'll guide you through how to fix TikTok video upload problems. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be annoying as you're then unable to post on TikTok, so we've got some different fixes you can try. If you're currently trying to post it, then what we can do is go and save it to our drafts. What we then want to do is from the profile is tap the three lines in the top right, go down and press settings and privacy. You want to go and scroll down and go and find the option for free up space. Go and find cache. What we can do is try clearing this, and this can go and solve problems sometimes. So press clear and confirm your decision. Then what you want to do is go and swipe up on TikTok and then go and swipe up on it again to fully close it. And then what you can try doing is going and opening it up again. Then what you can try doing is posting. Hopefully that solved it. If it still hasn't, then what we're going to try doing is coming out of TikTok. What we can do is go and uninstall TikTok and then reinstall it. So you can just go and delete it from your phone. But if you do that, you will lose drafts. So on an iPhone, if you come into your settings, go down to general, and then you go to iPhone storage, scroll down and find TikTok, you can tap on it and press offload app and confirm your decision. Then you can press reinstall app. This will reinstall it, but keep your drafts. Otherwise, just delete it and reinstall it from the App Store. Then what you can do is open it up again and try posting, and hopefully now it works. Leave a like if you found this useful.